Hey guys, it's Taylor. So, as you guys know, I love to get snack crates from different countries, and and Elena specifically was asking me today, like, please do a Turkish snack box. Like, let me see what's in there. And so tonight I'm gonna do it. And right now I have with me Nick, special guest. I know you guys are always like, "Where's your husband? What's he look like?" That's him. Anyway, so Nick, can we show them the box? So this is the box. It says Turkish munchies. Let's find out. Okay. And it came with everything that's in there, the nutritional value, and then it looks like the descriptions on the back. So Nick, do you want to pull one out? I'll pull one out. Okay, this first one looks savory. It looks like a spicy pretzel. It's called Cracks. C-R-A-X. Nick, will you hear my water, please? Ooh, I like this. Oh, good.
You're gonna do this the whole time?
Yeah. Mmm. This is good. I would eat those again. Nick, do you want to try one?
Sure.
Can you be on camera?
No thanks.
I'll just let you know how you react. I like these.
Kind of weird.
Nick nodded in approval. I just think they taste like pretzels with like a pizza seasoning on them. Okay. Next, we have Balik crackers. They've got, it looks like a goldfish cracker, like a saltine goldfish cracker. Just tastes like a saltine. No, like a generic Walmart buttered rounds, like their generic Ritz. They're good. Nick nodded in approval. Okay, what should we do next, Nick? Ooh, biscolata roll. Looks like a white chocolate covered that's yummy. I don't know. Oh, it's got coconut on it. Fun. Like a wafer cracker, wafer cookie, and then like a creamy, maybe more white chocolate on the inside. That's good. But it does have like a coconutty aftertaste. Don't love that. Okay, so next we have the Osmo burgers. Maybe a candy. Oh, these are so cute. They look like little cookies. They've got sesame seeds on them. Little burger. It's got little cheese, but I think it's just like a cookie with chocolate filling. I like those. Those are fun. Do you like those, Nick? Nick likes them. He thinks they're fun too. Okay, moving on. This looks like a cake with carrots and cinnamon, like a individual carrot cake. Very fragrant. Feels dry. Oh, I think that's good too. I like that. Yeah. Do you like that, Nick? Nick likes it. Okay. This one is a brownie It says brownie gold. It looks like a little chocolate cupcake on the cover. Nick just went to the kitchen to get water. This is why he never is part of my channel. He doesn't participate. Oh, it smells good. As soon as I opened it, I could smell it. Yes, like a little brownie cupcake. Or like that. I really like that. You know what I would say? Mama needs her chocolate. I'm so bad. You want to try the chocolate brownie? Nick double bit it. That's how you know he likes it. Okay.
It's almost like you're dying something.
Oh, I think these are, they say Papillos, and they've got a little Coke bottle on it. I think they're Coke flavored Pop Rocks. Yeah, it tastes like Coca-Cola right now. But they didn't add color to it. They're just white. I feel like the popping is less. You can. Can you guys hear that? Oh my god! Can you guys hear that? It tastes just like Coke though. Okay, there's still more. All right, so this one looks like chocolate coconut wafer cookies, like a coconut filling chocolate wafer. My mouth is still popping from the Pop Rocks, guys. Stuff is nuts. Okay. Very in-your-face coconut. First bite. It's a very subtle chocolate. These are okay. I wouldn't get them again. They're okay. Just kind of black. What do you think, Nick? You like them? Nick liked them. Okay. Ooh, look at this. It's like a cookie, but it has chocolate sprinkles all over it. Find out. It also has an orange on there, so I'm wondering if it's like orange flavored chocolate. Which is Nick's favorite. Right, Nick? It's not. Definitely smells like orange. Oh, I think it's just orange, like an orange gelatin inside. All I taste is orange, like an orange marmalade. That's what I was looking for. And it's... I wouldn't say a shortbread cookie. It's a very bland cookie to balance off the sweetness from the orange marmalade. And I don't feel like the chocolate sprinkles are adding anything to it. Nick just gagged when he sniffed it. What do you think?
That ain't it.
That ain't it. That's what I think, Nick. Okay. Something to say for the kids. I'm so bad. Okay. Ooh, the next. This looks like cheddar and onion potato chips. Maybe they're crackers. It's called Crispy with an I. It's definitely thicker. I think it's a thin cracker. I like these. It's like those sweet onion kettle chips. Do you know those ones? It's like the onion from that, but there's cheddar. I think these are good. I think you'll like those. What does it smell like, Nick?
Garbage.
Just smells like fake cheese. No, it smells like dog food. What do you think of those?
Tastes like dog food.
I don't think it tastes like dog food, but the more I'm letting, like, the aftertaste is very overpowering onion. I don't like them as much as I thought I did. Let me clear my palate really quick, Nick.
Tastes like onion dog food.
Nick, I'm just going to clear my palate. Okay. So, next we have Alpa. It looks like a white chocolate covered, I don't know, maybe more wafers, maybe, but it looks a little bit sturdier than a wafer. Maybe a shortbread? You know what? You guys are going to find out with me. So, wafer. It tastes like white chocolate and like kind of like a white chocolate nutty buddy. No, what are the wafer and peanut butter chocolate things? Are those Nutty Buddies?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, Nutty Buddy. I like these. You'll like this, Nick, or maybe not. White chocolate. I think it's good. You like it?
Not my first choice.
Not his first choice. I think he doesn't like white chocolate. Ooh. This looks like it's called Wanted Caramel, and it looks like Whoppers, like a row of caramel with Whoppers dipped in chocolate. So the first bite, I just got the, like, no, it's more like a cookie, like cookie circles, but I didn't get the caramel because it's just, like, hard. It's like a hard caramel. It's soft when you bite. I like this. It's soft once you bite into it.
Are you doing the whole thing tonight?
Yeah.
You're going to open every single one of these?
Yeah. This is
Why
called...
don't you just do a part 2 later?
I don't want it. Should I guess I could do a part 2.
You're like halfway done. Your video's 13 minutes later.
Alright, well, I guess we're doing a part 2 because there's like 15 more things, but when do you want to do this? Tomorrow?
I don't know. I decided to do homework. Oh.
It's fine. We can do this. We'll come back to it. We can do a part 2. Maybe Sunday. Maybe Saturday. I don't know. I'll keep you guys posted on when we do a part 2, okay? Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye!